staff overhaul, an FBI investigation, and at least a half-dozen deportations, probably as many as 14. Grocery store Mega Karen and her entitled kid gave me a headache today and made me snap. Today I met a wild Mega Karen and her spawn. I'm not one for confrontation and rarely respond, but she got the best of me. I was out for my weekly supply run at a pretty big supermarket, filled my cart until I struggled making any curves and went to check out. There was only this one person in front of me, whom we shall obviously call Karen, and her entitled kid. I respect the distance and stay back as she takes her sweet time putting her groceries in the checkout line. That's not an issue. I had nowhere else to be. The cashier was not ringing anything up, which was a bit odd. Entitled kid starts taking stuff and throwing it back in the cart while laughing hysterically. His mom doesn't say anything, just smiles at him as she continues what now seems pretty futile, as entitled kid is just filling up the cart again. This goes on for about 10 minutes and I'm getting frustrated. So I let out a sigh, thinking my mask would cover it. I was more frustrated than I thought. It did not. They both stopped and looked at me, and the beautiful long as heck line forming behind me, but say nothing. Entitled kid stares me down as he approaches the front of my cart and starts slowly pushing it towards me with his foot. I don't see anything. He's just a kid. Just smile and let him be. I put my foot behind one of the wheels so he can't move the cart and leave him be. Entitled kid keeps messing with my cart until I get a tad bit annoyed and politely ask his mom to get him. Karen stares me up and down and says, "Fine. Sorry my kid is just being a kid and playing because he's bored. I guess you're just not a good person and don't want my baby around a bad influence." And she puts him in her cart. Through the duration of this whole ordeal that followed, he glares at me and screams at the top of his lungs some silly kid's song. At times, I considered dialing up my priest. Finally, she had finished unloading her cart, and as the cashier started ringing her up, Karen starts screaming, "What are you doing? Stop it at once. I need you to look at my groceries and tell me my total before scanning them. I only have $50. The poor cashier looked stunned. You could read his face. I saw a lot of crap, but this one is on a whole nother level. He was trying to answer, but no words were coming out. I bursted out laughing at this point. The following conversation ensues. Karen: "What? What's your problem? It's your job. Do your job. What's my total?" Cashier: "Ma'am, I'm really sorry, but I can't know your total before I scan everything. I can start scanning, and when it hits $50, I can start. Yep, that's this is your job. You should and calculate my total." Cashier: "Ma'am, I am very sorry, but I cannot do that. It will take a very long time, and there's already a long line waiting." Sighs angrily while saying, "Fine, start scanning," and starts putting stuff back while the cashier is scanning. I am very annoyed, but still say nothing. The cashier finishes scanning, and after putting back half of her stuff, her total is a bit over $30. She pays and put her bags in the cart for her entitled kid to rampage through, and I start unloading my cart. You thought it was over? So did I. It was not. Karen: "Stop! Did I say I was finished? I am not finished." I just roll my eyes and start laughing. Karen: "Is there any farm animal food in here?" Cashier: "Yes, ma'am, in the far right corner." Karen: "Of course you put it there. Now it's gonna take me forever to go get some." Now, facing me with a death stare, and with the snottiest of tones. "See? I told you I wasn't finished. It's still my turn, and I need animal feed. Be right back." As she starts walking towards me, in the loudest, so I could cover her still squealing kid, nicest voice I could produce at this time, I say, "Stop. No, we waited long enough. Also, as I see it from here, you got enough food for yourself. You don't need more. You know, hoarding is bad and all. You would need some decency, but they don't sell it here. So please, can all of us just go on with our day?" She was definitely not expecting an answer, so I got a surprised Pikachu face. After she got so red, I thought a vein might pop out. But seeing the huge crowd behind me burst out laughing, she simply says nothing and storms off, huffing and puffing. I got such a headache right now, and